It's a whole new day. It's a whole new day. Whole new day. We about to install a front lip. You know, somebody got me a front lip. You know, if you know, you know. But I got a 3-piece front lip that is about to go on my car from eBay. It's around like it was around like 94, 95, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and install this in my car. This is gonna be a nice little short video. You feel me?
Slice it.
This is what the front of the car looked like before. I already got it set up for the lift and stuff like that. It's already a little bit low because of my coilovers. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise up the car and yeah. 3-piece lip, eBay 3-piece black lip. I don't know how long it's gonna last me. I'm gonna go ahead and just start off by cleaning this. This bottom surface. You know. My dad got that too, so what the front piece look like. Hold on, let me get it. I'm show it for y'all. It's gonna be a nice. That's the wrong way.
Who got that for you though?
Somebody special, man. Got this front lip for me. You know
Type shit.
I was already know how we rocking, man.
Type shit.
Keep God in your life.
Fuck, nigga.
The feelings going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Why'd you I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you.
And the sheets and shit.
Connect with your cars.
Yo.